Anong difference ng perimenopause at menopause? Bakit parang ang haba ng transition bago totally mawala ang period?
Stop the car. You'll be too quiet.
Si Miss A, 47-year-old, minsan meron, minsan wala ang regla. Minsan din siya'y naiinitan kahit malamig ang paligid. Sabi niya, menopause na po ba ako? Pero teka, baka perimenopause muna. Understanding the difference helps you manage your symptoms better. Perimenopause is the transition phase before menopause. So, pwede itong tumagal ng several years. During this time, nagiging irregular na ang periods dahil pababa na ang hormone levels, especially estrogen. Menopause, on the other hand, is defined as 12 consecutive months na walang menstruation, officially. Tapos na ang reproductive phase. Sa mga Pinay, perimenopause usually starts at mid-40s and menopause hits around 48 to 50 years old. If in doubt, visit your OBGYN para ma-check kung perimenopause symptoms ba talaga yan or something else. This is Dr. Carla, your trusted OBGYN. I'm here to guide you through every phase of your womanhood.